UK-based robotics company Moley Robotics has unveiled the world's first automated kitchen at Hannover Messe, the premier industrial robotics show in Germany. Moley's robotic system features a dexterous robot integrated into a kitchen that cooks with the skill and flair of a master chef. Stirring, adjusting the temperature, pouring and adding ingredients are all basic skills for a chef, but they are slightly harder to achieve for a robot. However, that is not the case for this pair of robotic hands, which could be said to revolutionize cooking and kitchen operations. This robotic system does not cook like a machine, but it captures human skills in motion and recreates it for cooking the recipe. The product is still 2 years away from market. In 2017, Moley will launch the consumer version of the robotic kitchen. This kitchen robot uses robotic hands developed by a London-based company, Shadow Robot, which supplies similar robot hands to NASA. These robot hands can pick up and interact with almost all kitchen equipments such as blenders, whisks, knives and hob. The robot hand uses 20 motors, 24 joints and 129 sensors to mimic the movement of human hands. The Moley robotic kitchen is not just an exciting piece of hardware, but it is also a digital library with over 2000 dishes. Actually, it is trying to be like iTunes style library of recipes. A smartphone app is used to control the robot remotely. It is useful for telling it to start cooking a meal just before you leave the office. And Moley says the consumer version will have an integrated fridge and storage system which the robot can access. Moley Robotics sees a future where celebrity chefs will use the platform as an extension to their brand, letting them sell recipes to owners of the robot, who would then get the same chef cooked meal to the same professional quality every time they ask for it. The robot can learn anything, so it can interact with any type of hob, oven or dishwasher once it has been taught how to do that. Future versions will do this by including motion capture cameras, which can also be used by amateur home cooks to record their work and share them online with other robot owners. The amateur chefs could earn money by selling their cooking techniques. Home cooks could learn from Moley, which will come with over 2000 dishes pre-installed on its digital library, which is searchable by country, ingredients or diet. Although the robot could work more quickly than a human, Moley decided to keep the speed similar to the speed of human to make it more friendly. And it will be providing the protective glass fan and a fire extinguisher system for making the robot safe to use around the children and when you are not at home. Moley Robotics hopes the robot chef will go on sale to the general public in 2017, and it is aiming to charge £10,000, that is around $15,000. The company's aim is to produce technologies that address basic human needs and improve day-to-day quality of life.